Now for just a few of those TV moments when things go awry. Here are a couple of interesting items.
Go on! Oh, cut the four!
Bruce, how lovely. Well, come on over. Bye. Who is it?
It's me, Bruce.
Come on in.
Darling.
Darling.
Coat! The coat!
Oh, no. I wouldn't change for anything. I wouldn't really.
Well, that's what we usually find. Most does users won't change. Are you wearing anything at the moment you've had washed in does?
Yes, these.
Why don't you kiss me? You used to.
Did I?
I haven't changed, you know.
Haven't you?
No. I never will.
Hold it. Cut. Wardrobe. Good evening. Here is the news. The Prime Minister, seen here with members of the Cabinet, attended a meeting to discuss Britain's economic policy. It is hoped that... These sheep that you can see here are being led by Suffolk's top shepherd. Unlike other shepherds, he uses no dog, as these sheep will follow him anywhere. Oh, it's no wonder we all get colds this weather, but we needn't suffer from them, because Benevite attacks the cold germs 3 ways. Here at the throat, preventing that sore feeling that you get. Here at the eyes, preventing running. And here at the nose, preventing that stuffed up feeling that you get, because in the nose of the... Do you want to carry on? My God, if I can't have you, Fiona, nor shall he!
Bruce, what's come over you? I've never seen you like this before.
And I hope you'll never see me like this again. I'm sorry, Fiona, but when you mentioned Dick, everything went black.
Hey! Have you got a minute?
Have we got a what? Right, close to his throat, close to his throat. That's it. Right, cut! Oh, I didn't mean cut, like... Oh. Could you see if Darren Nesbitt's free, John?